So here's the final product on the exhaust before I put all the heat shields and covers back on. We come down here. This area right in here was really tricky. Not a lot of space, and this was my first welding project. I've never TIG welded in my life. So I wanted an exhaust that was a little different than everything else out on the market. So back there it comes off the turbo and goes to 3" with the flex pipe, and 90's back comes through a resonator, and then the exhaust splits so it can either go through the muffler or the exhaust cutout. But I wanted it resonated. I didn't want a full straight pipe. And it's a pretty large muffler, made it a little tricky to fit. Then we come down here in 3" kind of Y pipe, 2 inlets, 1 outlet. I'm also going to make something to put the factory spark arrestor back on when I go up in the mountains. Just has little L brackets to mount the exhaust. I learned a lot doing this, and there are definitely some things I would do different next time. Things moved a little more than I expected. I'd probably jump around with the welding a little bit more, and also put a little brace on the mounting bolts to keep those flanges from moving as much. And then right here I tied in to the intake manifold for the vacuum. I'm still waiting on new vacuum lines, so I'll clean all this up. So it comes out of the intake manifold, it comes up through a one-way check valve into a vacuum solenoid, and then from there we'll go back into the vacuum actuator. Well guys, that wraps up the Can-Am X3 exhaust. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more of my garage adventures and all the fun projects I have planned.